In this video we are resurfacing a concrete patio that has texture coming off in many places. The patio was textured by another company about 2 years ago, and now the texture is falling off. If I had to guess, I think it's because the patio was not grinded prior to applying material. But we're going to redo the patio, it will look good and it will also last a long time. First, we remove all material down to foundation with a diamond cup wheel attached to a grinder. The diamond cup wheel is not only removing existing material, but it will also scuff up the concrete so the skim coat can bond properly. Prior to grinding, we covered water of the pool with plastic so it doesn't get any dust. After grinding, we remove the plastic, pressure wash the patio, and then when it's dry, we run 12-inch masking paper around the perimeter of the patio. That will keep material from ending up on a deck when we apply the skim coat. Then we apply the coat of bonding agent using 2-gallon garden spray pump. There were a few small cracks that we fixed. We used the caulking gun to squeeze the concrete fill out of the tube, and with the finger we pushed it inside the crack. Then with the rag we removed any excessive material. After that we apply a skim coat. The material we are using is called Excel Surfaces Cream Texture. We mix it in a 5-gallon bucket, pour it onto the patio, and then use rubber squeegee to spread it evenly. Before applying the texture, we covered the house with plastic and area around with plastic and tarps. Then using 2-gallon hopper gun, we apply the texture coat. Then with the trowel, we knock down the texture. After texturing, we apply the coat of bonding agent and 2 coats of paint. The paint we used is called Top Coat. The brand is Excel Surfaces. This is the look of the patio after grinding, after the skim coat, and this is after texture coat and painting.